Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel in the Curve Learning. So today we are gonna talking about uh, the element of the pump curve. As you know, as a process engineer, we have to know the system of the pump, especially for the pump curve itself. So we have to discuss regarding the pump curve element. So as you can see in this curve, we have a lot of the pump curve element, and just the head, and then the flow capacity, NPHR, power scale, and also isostar. And there is many of the pump curve elements. So we're gonna discuss regarding this pump curve, but I want just to draw off to figure out that we have to focus only for the two parameter in the pump curve. This one. Okay. So we discuss about the pump curve. Okay. And curve is like this. We have flow capacity in the horizontal axis, and the vertical axis. We have head capacity in here. So for the initial less capacity flow, you will have the highest head of your pump. So the pump we're gonna be here like this one, and then the system curve like this one, and this point and this point we can call as the operating point. So you can operate your pump as well in this point. So for this point we can take for the head as well, as is also for the capacity of the pump. The key pump capacity of the pump, and this is the head. So in here we have two parameter, key in meter cubic per hour and head in meter or in kg, yeah, so I have to is meter of static head, and the unit of the pressure, we can say that it should be kg per centimeter atmosphere. So we usually use to this unit rather than the pressure unit. Okay, then this meter in here, and yeah. So the pump curve, the basic of the pump curve, we need to acknowledge first for the key flow and for the head. This is very basic. Okay, in actually our plane, if you have something here, So you install the pump in here. So this pump is basically will extract the fluid from this tank to the desired destination. Maybe just to another tank. Okay. So what we are talking about the two parameter regarding the capacity and the head is for the capacity is the sum of the total flow that you will transfer, let's say T1 as a tank 1 and T2 as a tank 2. So for the key parameter is the total of the flow rate that you will be transferred to the T1 to the T2, the tank 1 to the tank 2. We can assume that maybe just 100 meter cubic per hour. So this value is based on your calculation demand, based on your calculation demand. So I will discuss regarding the calculation demand of pump in the next session. And for the head is the different pressure between discharge of pump and suction of pump. Okay, we can say in the suction pump, we have PS, and the discharge of pump, we have PD. So the head is correspondence in PD minus PS. So we can say also this the differential head. Differential head. For the PS and PD calculation, we will discuss in the next session. So in this session, we have also focused on the two parameter of the pump, the Q parameter, and the head of the parameter. So for the PS and PD, we can obtain for these two parameter from our calculation demand. You know, it's very simple. Okay, so we have two parameter here, the main parameter of the pump curve, key and head. Okay, if you have just two of these parameter, you can also buy or vouch to carry it for the pump based on your flow rate demand and based on your differential head demand. Yeah, that one. As a process engineer, maybe you have to calculate this parameter rather than you can specify. You can discuss with your other discipline like mechanical engineer or instrumentation engineer regarding the all complement of this pump, maybe some the electrical cable or the what kind of material to feed your system. Maybe we have, if we have some corrosion fluid in here, we need to upgrade the material for the pipeline in the suction pipeline and the discharge pipeline is regarding to your own fluid. Okay, thanks so for this session. Okay, for the next session, maybe we will discuss about the other parameter of the pump curve. Okay, see you later. Thank you for watching. my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Cicanya. Apa apa cicinya? Apa cicinya? Nggak apa-apa kalau pipinya ngerekam-rekam kemot.